everyone. Welcome to djembetradingpost.com. Doing a sound sample. I've got a little American buffalo hide, little mini conga. It's a shell from Ghana, Africa. Just high quality rope, sort of colorful. It's got some different colors. It's got some orange going, a little twirly, and then the sunset, which is orange red and with a base of navy blue, which is, it's hard to see, but yeah. Got a carry handle. This is a nice little beginner drum circle street conga. Kind of lightweight, a little bit smaller, maybe 10 by 23. It's a pretty cute little drum. Good for a gift. djembetradingpost.com. That was a bad ending.